Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an eyeshadow palette review for you guys, and it is on the 3CE Mood Recipe Multi-Eye Color Palette, and I got mine in the shade Plot Twist. I know there's 3 different shades, but this one was the one that attracted me the most, just because I really like a lot of shimmer shade, but also like a combination of matte shade as well, so I can use them all at once, you know, versatile, just in case I want to go travel. At least I can have this on hand instead of having like too many palettes, if that makes sense. And that's why this palette attracted me the most, because I feel like this was really versatile. It has a lot of the brown shades that I would like to use, and honestly I've used this for a few times already and I'm actually loving this a lot. I actually did not expect to like it that much, just because of the price. It is $42 and I got mine on Style Korean, so it is a standard price compared to buying on the actual Style Nanda site itself, just because for the Style Nanda site itself I can't really get free shipping to New Zealand, so I have to pay a lot for the shipping fees if I do buy from the actual site. So actually shopping on Style Korean, it was actually almost same price. And if you hear any noises, it's the aircon and it's my dog. It's really hot today, so I have the aircon on. If not, I can't film this. I'm already like sweating a little bit, but I really want to film this for you guys. Anyway, as you can see, it comes in 9 different colors and there's a lot of brown shades, and I have done like swatches for you guys. So as I can see from here, I can definitely tell there are 2 matte shades, which is this 2 shade right here, which is like the perfect brown depending on your skin tone. But I felt like both of the brown really suit me well. The lighter one, it is good for daytime look where you want to blend your eyeshadow out, and the darker brown is best for nighttime look where you use it for like dark smoky eye look. So I like that there's 2 matte shades in this palette, and then there's also like 2 lighter, I guess like a highlight shade, but I also have like a little bit of shimmer, and those 2 I like to put it under my brow bone to just lift my brows up during my makeup. And then the rest are all shimmery, so there's 1 2 3 4 5 shimmer shades in this palette. So you have the lightest one, which is like the peachy, and then the golden one, and then you have like this sort of like this how to say, ashy brown shade here. This is like so pigmented, it's just amazing. And then you have this dark brown but a little bit of gold shimmer in it as well, and then you have the darkest brown, which I would recommend to apply on the outer part of your eye. Or if you want like those really dark smoky eye look, that shade will be perfect as well. If you guys want to see like a smoky eye look with this palette, definitely let me know. I just feel like I can do a lot of eyeshadow look with this palette just because of the ranges that it has, and honestly the payoff is just amazing. I did not expect it to be that pigmented with just one swatch on my wrist. Like, look how beautiful it is, and the shimmer is not too shimmery that it overpower the eyeshadow color, because sometimes a lot of Korean eyeshadow palettes, when they put shimmer, it's just shimmer that you can't really see the color underneath. But this one you can see that it's sort of infused together, like it blends well, which is really good. So I really like this a lot. And to be honest, $42 divided by 9, that's like less than $5 for one shadow. And the thing is, the size for this is actually really decent. I actually don't know the size, but I mean, if you compare it to my hand or like my face, it's actually not that bad. When I first got it, I was like, oh, it looks a little bit small, but the more I use, I'm like, actually, because of how pigmented it is, I actually don't need to use much during one look. So this one will actually last for a good amount of time, to be honest. And the packaging is very simple. It suits the Mood Recipe theme where it has like this brownie shade as well, so it is pretty solid as well. I mean, it's made out of plastic, but it is a very solid eyeshadow palette, so this is definitely great for travel as well. And what else can I say about this eyeshadow? I mean, I really do like all of the colors. I'm very impressed with the different shade of browns they have available for everybody. This would be definitely great for those who have different skin tone, but you also want like a day to night look. This is perfect. Like, I can actually travel with this, and I'm probably planning on using this when I go for my Japan and Korea trip really soon, because I really like this kind of shade. I'm actually using one right now, and the shades I'm using is this dark brown here and then I blend it with this 2 brown. I just mix it around, and then the outer part I use this color. So you can see with one look I've already used 4. If you guys want me to do a smoky eye look using this palette, definitely let me know in the comment box down below, because I'm really keen on doing like a makeup look for you guys, because I haven't done it for a very long time. All I've been doing is a lot of review and first impression, but I feel like I want to switch things up a little bit and do more makeup look for you guys as well. So let me know what you think. But yeah, to be honest, I would actually recommend this a lot, because yeah, it is a little bit pricey, but you know, 3CE is quite high end. But $42 for this palette, I actually think is actually pretty good, considering that I really like all of the colors, and the pigmentation just it just overwhelmed me, because I actually did not expect it to be that amazing. Just because I've tried one of the really old eyeshadow, I can't remember what it was, but it was years ago, and I did not like how shimmery it was. But this one is just the perfect shimmer. You guys would know I love shimmer if you follow me for a very long time, but this is the perfect shimmer, perfect color. Love it for day or night time. Like, I like it a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions about this palette, definitely put it down in the comment box below, and I'll reply to you really soon. And please thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.